Hello everyone and welcome to another video from me at ScottsCrazyBuilds. Today we're going to do another jet bike fire up, hopefully with Afterburner, and we're going to find out if the seat and all the plastic panels are going to set on fire. So, bit of a nervous one. I did try this last week and it didn't go so well. You can see that here. The Afterburner was too rich last week. I'm going to try again today. Just show you the bike and we'll get to it.
Looking good, I'm happy with that.
Yeah, she's good. Real good. No problem. Oh, things got a little bit warm under that seat though. It says 300, I don't know if I believe it. We better have a look. It all looks good. Nothing's melted. Well, that was a good test. I'm really happy with that. The seat hasn't set on fire. The panels haven't set on fire or melted. The seat got to about 100 degrees. The heat shield underneath got to 300 because the gold foil set on fire. But I think I'm happy to sit on it finally, so that's going to be a little bit scary and ride it. If you like what I'm doing and you think this stuff's pretty cool, then please like my page or subscribe to me on YouTube, ScottsCrazyBuilds or Insta. I've got quite a lot more stuff to come, including how you can build your own jet bike, what's the parts, what's involved. Also, how you can build an engine on the cheap, because this bike does not have an aircraft engine. The engine is home built in this concrete garage with minimal tools. So yeah, and also of course got to ride the bike, which yeah, we'll see how that goes. And I've got a little bonus video which is testing the smoke function. So basically making loads of smoke in my back garden and checking that works. So yeah, please like and share. I've also got a GoFundMe so that I can buy a trailer and tow bar and actually take this somewhere to ride it. So if you can even spare £2, please check out my GoFundMe. Yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Scott's Crazy Builds.